was 2 years younger, but has done everything. Used to win a football school in the ship. He went to stay one after at his gap in the big smoke. Used to think your mum was strict till you saw him get a roast. Had the latest records and were Irish dancing kings. You couldn't understand how you was made to do those things. He always knew exactly how to press all your buttons. Just a second, says for competitive cousins. Johnny's off to uni and Siobhan is getting wet. You still have a naughty to play on your single bed. Auntie May can hear the pattering of tiny feet. 'Cause all your mum can hear is you munch your Rice Krispies at lunchtime. When you're gonna get a job, you lazy, stop by doing more like Cousin Sean. He's self-employed, you know, I know. Johnny took a year, I said, he's just spinning his wheels. He lives in a commune getting chased up on the spins. On both his backs with ACL impaired. Got divorced and all of her children putting there. Auntie May Reese got issue with her sons. Apple carries on with competitive cousins. No resting on your laurels, it's a calm before the storm. Beaten to this song by competitive cousins. Competitive cousins. Competitive cousins. Competitive cousins. I'm competitive. A competitive cousin.
In a competitive world.
Competitive.